Welcome back, guys. Today's video we have 3 Filipino recipes. We have the Pinakbet, the banana turon, and the spicy Spanish style dried sardines. So these are our ingredients. We have the onions, the garlic, squash, egg, salted shrimp, okra, and eggplant. So that's all I've got. But actually, pwede siyang lagyan ng beans like ng string beans. So let's start. So I start by heating the pan, and once hot, oil in, just a little bit of oil. We have to saute first the onion. Traditionally, some chef or some like yung mga nagluluto, they saute first the garlic, but I have some research, and then I got this that it's good that you first saute the onion because onion is a little bit of watery, so mas matagal siyang fry, unlike sa garlic. That's ang garlic kasi, guys, is a dry, not so watery, so you have to first saute the onion. Then once brown, once brownish, you follow the garlic. So like when you smell the aroma of the onion, so you can proceed with the garlic. So that's it. The garlic, wait like 1 minute. So once the garlic and the onion na deep fry na siya, and then you smell the aroma, it's time to add the water. So we now add the water, guys. Yeah, it's like 100 ml or more or less like that, and then we just wait until mabuboil siya, and then let's add our vegetables. So now the water started to boil. I'll add first the squash. So squash first because squash medyo hard ang squash, and kailangan siyang it takes time to make it soft. Hello, say hi, say hello. So bagong gising si Gab Gab, gusto daw niya maging assistant sa oh, hey, say hi. Say hi, like, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Yeah, go. Yeah, please subscribe. Please subscribe JBG Food Travel TV, guys. I, J, A, go. A, B, C, D, go. D, oh, seems like our squash is already softened, so we need to follow the eggplant and put the eggplant in the pan, and then we'll then cover again. So we'll wait maybe 1 to 2 minutes, and then look, this is what happened after 2 minutes. Then we follow the okra, guys, and then we did not put the vegetables in the pan together in one time, because it's like the squash is much harder, and it takes time to cook than the eggplant and the okra. So that's it, and it's time to add our seasoning, guys. So 1 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black peppercorn, a tablespoon of soy sauce, so you can use either light soy sauce or dark soy sauce, so it doesn't matter at all. And then lastly, we have a tablespoon of oyster sauce, and then we have to mix, so making sure that the seasoning were incorporated to our vegetables. And then pinakbet is nothing without the salted shrimp, or what we called uyap in Bisaya, guys. So I added just enough for this recipe, so di lang kayo daghanon because it's actually parat. And then lastly, the egg, but this is actually optional, guys, so you better put, you better not, so it's up to you. So I think we're good and we're almost done, so serve natin to, guys. So try mong pinakbit dyan. Daghan siya mga kulang, pero I hope that this one is look like a pinakbit to you. And sige, ato nang taste, tilawan na to kung lami ba. Wow, so lami jud dyan, no? Nagkuha ng uyap ang vegetables, so mura siyang nag-ilog sa iyong baba, grabe kalami. So those who love vegetables, guys, perfect. And our next recipe, guys, is a turon na saging. That's actually requested by Ms. Mariah McConnell. This recipe, guys, is napakasimple. So all you need to have is the saging, saba or a cardaba in the Philippines, and then the wrap. And if you have to seal that, you add a little bit of water, and then that's it. So you have to get the pan, add some oil, deep fry, and then once turned brown, it's already done. So look at that. So I just added a little bit of honey and a little bit of powdered sugar. So this is what we call the saba here in the USA. So in the Philippines, it's actually a cardaba. And our last recipe for today, we have the spicy dried Spanish style sardines that was requested by Sir Bango. And these are our ingredients. We have the dried sardines, the carrot, bay leaves, the olives, olive oil, red pepper, and the garlic. Let's start by slicing our carrot and then slice our olives just like that. Then we have to fry our dried fish so until it's crispy. Oh, look at that. Then get the pan, arrange the carrot first, and then followed by the olives, and then the garlic, and the bay leaf, and you can put the fried sardines, and then another batch of the carrots, the olives, the garlic, and the bay leaf. Once everything is settled, so we add the red pepper flakes, and then a half cup of olive oil, then 1/2 cup of water. Then seasoned with salt and add whole black peppercorn. Then we'll have to let it boil and wait maybe 15 to 20 minutes, or you check the carrot if it is already soft, and then we're good to go. And this is our final recipe for today, our homemade spicy dried fish Spanish style sardines. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Actually, this video or these recipes, guys, were requested by some of my friends in Philippines and in California. We have Mr. Junrel Sulmayor from Philippines. He was my classmate and in elementary days. Actually, he was good during elementary days, guys, and very competitive, and diligent na siya magpakopya, guys, and he requested the Pinakbet. So I hope you, June, will like the recipe. And actually, napa siya ikulang, but I only used the unsay naa sa akong ingredients here. So and I hope you like it, June. And we have Mr. Ruben or Tuto Alipayo, who requested the spicy Spanish sardines. So instead of using the sardines, the fresh sardines, I used the dried because it's not available here, sir. So I'm so sorry. I hope you still like the recipe, and actually the same procedure and ingredients, except for the fish. And I hope you'll like it also, Sir Ruben. And lastly, Mrs. Mariah or Mr. Michael from California. So she requested the turon, the banana turon. So I made it, and I hope Mariah, you like it also, and you guys are amazing. So thanks for requesting. Thanks for supporting our YouTube channel. And for those wala pa nakapag-subscribe sa mga YouTube channel, guys, and please invite your friends and do subscribe on our YouTube channel. And I'm happy to grant your request. So kung sa inyong mga request na akong lutuon, as long as makaya na ako, I will do it and i-shout out to mo, guys. So thanks again, mega shout out kay Junrel Solmayor, Sir Ruben Toto Alipayo, and Mariah. And thank you guys. So please like our videos and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to get notified for our next video. Bye bye, thanks.